We have another example on the board, and we're supposed to find the equation of the line again. But before we are going to use the point slope form, we're supposed to find the slope. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And for example, this is my point 1 and this is my point 2. This is my x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is equal negative 6 minus y1, which is equal 3, over x2, which is equal negative 8, minus x1, which is equal negative 4. Negative 6 minus 3 is equal negative 9 over negative 8. Negative times negative gives me positive. So I have negative 9 over negative 8 plus 4 is equal negative 4, equals negative and negative will cancel out, and I'm going to end up with 9 over 4. My slope is equal 9 over 4. In order to determine the equation of a line, we're supposed to use point slope form. And you're supposed to remember this formula, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Now we're supposed to simply substitute the variables by the numbers. So if y minus y1, which is equal 3, is equal m, your slope, which is equal 9 over 4, open parenthesis, x minus x1, and x1 is equal negative 4. And we have y minus 3 is equal 9 over 4, x, negative times negative gives me positive, plus 4, okay? Next, we're supposed to distribute 9 over 4 into the parentheses. So if y minus 3 is equal 9 4x plus 9 over 4 times 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and I'm going to also move negative 3 to the right side because I have to solve this equation for y, and I'm going to have y equals 9 4x plus 9 plus 3. So I have 9 over 4x plus 9 plus 3. Y is equal 9 over 4x. 9 plus 3 is equal 12. And this is the solution to my problem.